Hello, here I am going to fix the multi-vibrator circuit on solderless breadboard. This is schematic circuit diagram. I think this pictorial diagram also useful to fix this circuit. I am starting this circuit from the left side corner. This brown, black and brown colored resistor is 100 ohm. Now I am going to fix it on the breadboard. LED bulb short pin is the negative side and that side has flat spot. The long lead is the positive side of the LED lamp and I am connecting that positive lead to the 100 ohm resistor. This side is the positive pole of the capacitor and white marking side is negative pole. Now I am fixing the positive lead of the capacitor to the LED negative pin. I am fixing the 10 kilo ohm resistor in between positive rail and capacitor negative lead. According to the circuit diagram, now I am fixing another 10 kilo ohm resistor. Now I am connecting negative lead to the 10 kilo ohm resistor. This LED bulb negative pin is connected to the positive lead side of the capacitor. This is 100 ohm resistor. This is BC547 NPN transistor and its pin order is collector, base and emitter. According to the datasheet, this pin is the collector. Now I am going to fix the collector to the LED negative pin connected terminal strip. Here I am using wire jumper to interconnect collector pin at that terminal strip. This is emitter pin of the transistor and I am fixing that pin to the ground by using a wire jumper. In the same way, I need to fix the other side of the circuit. Now I am extending the right side LED negative lead to connect terminal strip. I am connecting transistor collector pin to this extended path. This is emitter pin. I connect it to the ground. This negative side need to connect the left side transistor base pin. Here I am extending its path by using wire jumper. Then I connect that terminal strip to the transistor base. Same way I am extending the left side negative lead connected terminal strip path by using jumper wire. This is the base of the transistor and I am connecting that pin to that extended path. Now circuit is completed and I am checking that paths are connected properly. Now I supply 3 volt to the circuit. Thanks for watching this demonstration.